I created Ayla's family law library from my practice, and it was really to solve the problem of how do I create documents without cutting and pasting or having to hire other people to cut and paste documents for me? And how can I do that and create the very best documents that are error-free? And that is where Ayla really came from and evolved for family law. The types of documents and issues that Ayla is geared to handle for family law are going to be the most common issues that would walk into an attorney's office. This is divorce, child support, child custody, community property, use of community property, restraining orders. In addition to the types of issues, we have pleadings, discovery, judgments, client communications, so that would be letters to your client. We've got letters to the clerk's office. The content that we have should be able to handle most of the issues and documents that a family law attorney would see. Now, the benefit to using Ayla is our users who are attorneys can call us up and they can ask for new provisions. They can ask for new issues to be covered. And for the most part, when they ask, we just continue to grow the program for our users who are attorneys. One of the questions that I get from older family law attorneys is, why would I use Ayla's family law library if I already have my own forms? And the response that I provide to them comes in the form of a question, which is, when is the last time that you updated all of your forms? At Ayla, we are updating our forms every year as new statutes are passed. In addition to that, we have family law attorneys and family law specialists that use us every single day across the state of Louisiana. Those attorneys, if they need to have some local language, some local updates, they can reach out and tell us about them, and we incorporate them into our forms. But really, the most important element to this answer is that having the forms is important, but that's not really why people use us. People use Ayla because we save them time. People use Ayla because we save them money. They use us because we provide more accurate documents. They use us because our documents are reliable. And so whether you have the forms or not is not really the question. It is, can Ayla and its family law library provide greater accuracy, greater efficiency, lower cost for your overhead, and provide you with more free time? And the answer to that is yes. And so that's the question that really should be being asked. If you're interested in learning more about how Ayla works or what it can do for your practice, reach out to us.